How the fuck did you get all that shit?
I don't know. People gave it to me.
Go.
Alright.
Damn you. What the hell?
Fail.
I poked at it and I couldn't do a thing. Yeah.
Oh,
Fuck
shit.
you, fan. Damn you.
Do it.
Fuck
The
you,
whole
man.
thing.
Look at it now.
Move.
Stop vibrating. Oh, you fucker.
Shit.
Oh.
Damn you.
Over destroyed.
Fan.
Wait.
What the hell was that?
I don't fucking know.
Wow.
We need a new part.
What the fuck?
Is there any more up here?
That was easy.
You gotta get rid of fucking brick. And that, you gotta fix that again so we can break. Fuck, tore the carpet up. Jesus. Don't be rude.
Yeah, Jake.
They have to clean it up somehow.
I'm gonna hide this wall.
What about that?
And chuck this magnet at you.
You can have that magnet. You want that magnet?
Yes?
I've been trying to get rid of
fucking
it.
love these
I
fucking
kinda
things.
scared myself because I like unloaded it,
These
but I
magnets
didn't
are fucking epic.